in today's Trade of the Day video for Dynamic Trader of our intraday trading strategy and course, what I'm going to do is have a quick look at the chat log from last night's live trading session. So my colleague Keith running that session called some great trades and ended up really nicely up on the session. So some of our students up 75 points, 34 points, 55 points, 76 points, 44 points for the session, which is a great return on a bit of time there. And so what we're going to do is just have a quick look at the trades that brought about these opportunities and these results. So this is all in Eastern time. So we're talking about looking there at sort of 8:50 in the evening there, UK time. So getting into the close of that the US session, and this is the opportunity that we're talking about here from around 8:36 on the close of that candlestick. And what you've seen here is a great few opportunities, I'd say. And you look at the charts here, it started off really before the session really kicked in. There's a fantastic short on that 6:32 session, not starting for the live trading session until 5 to 7, but a lovely fall. And these are the sort of moves that we're seeing on the Dow at the moment. That's a good sort of 60-point fall in about half an hour. Market then attempting to rise back up, getting chopped out for a small loss on this opportunity here, which is disappointing, before rolling into a continuation buy here, another continuation buy here, and then the real trade of the day was this continuation, and that's really what people are talking about on that chat log, a continuation there, and the market just going very, very quickly indeed into the close there for a very nice profitable trading opportunity. And whilst this chart I appreciate can look a little bit complicated, if you just break it down to actually certain things that are on the chart, a continuation trade is actually quite simple. You're looking for a solidly long blue line here suggesting an uptrending market. You're looking for these lines to turn back from red back to green again to resume effectively the momentum, the upward momentum shown by blue line. When it's downward, it's orange. When it's blue, it's up. So you're just looking for a resumption of that direction. And there was the continuation there on the close of the 8:36 candlestick. It's a 2-minute chart and subsequent rise of, well, let's have a look at this. It was about an 80-point move up to the highs. You're not going to catch all of that, of course, but some of our students in there getting best part of it, that's for sure. So really nice session, and most importantly, our students are getting on these trades as well, and they're picking up some fantastic profits, and that is what this is all about. All the best, everybody, and bye-bye for now.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trendsignal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trendsignal website for the latest events and to book your free place.